Hey everybody, I'm Bobby Deen and I've got a great Memorial Day recipe for you today. This is from my mom's magazine. It is a deviled egg potato salad, which sounds great and I'm sure that it will be. But you might be wondering, are we stuffing the eggs with the potatoes or how does this work? It's going to be a potato salad and the eggs that are in there are going to be like deviled egg style. So it should be wonderful. So it brings two things together that I really like and maybe you do too. My dad, God rest his soul, made the best potato salad. And it was just, he liked it warm, first of all, and he did not like any filler. And I got that from him. So I'm not a big celery guy, not a big all that stuff. My dad made potato salad with potatoes, eggs, mayonnaise, I think some dill relish, and salt and pepper, and that was it. And it warmed right off the stove, and it was so dadgum good. So anyway, I'll be thinking about my dad today while we make this potato salad. All right, so it starts out with potatoes, and really any kind will do. So use the potatoes that you have on hand. We used the smaller ones today, and they're tricolored. Kind of happens to be a red, white, and blue. So yay, go America, Memorial Day. And we've boiled them and we've drained them, and they're ready to go. So. But while those are continuing to drain, we'll go ahead and make our base mixture for the potato salad. And it is going to be begin with our egg yolks, which I'm just going to mash here until they're kind of crumbly. And I always seem to have a smaller bowl than I would like to have for these things. The crumbles are going to want to jump out. So we'll crumble our egg yolks and put them into this big, beautiful, this big bowl right here just screams homemade potato salad to me, like Albany, Georgia homemade potato salad. To that, we will add our mayonnaise, which, how about this vessel, y'all? That's awesome. Did everything come out? Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. A little bit of mustard. Holy smokes. Wow. Hello, mustard. That mustard was ready to go. Well, the perfect amount happened to come out of there. A little paprika, a little salt and pepper. Man. Mustard caught me off guard. And I'm going to...
You got vinegar and water.
Oh, vinegar and water. A little vinegar and a little water.
I know the mustard threw you off.
It did throw me off. I'm going to go ahead and mix this together so I get it kind of smooth. And this will be our base. Great. And we'll add to that our egg whites. We're just going to kind of rough cut our egg whites. And I think I already said this, but whatever kind of potatoes that you want to use, so the little gold ones are great. They make the little, the kind that are purple and red. And when I say make, I mean they sell bags of them at the store. So just use whatever kind of potatoes you have. Or choose. So to that, we're gonna just rough cut our egg yolks here. So we've got our egg whites. And we'll add that to our base. And also our celery and our onion. And our dill relish will go in.
I know you didn't shoot, but your mom would kill me if she let you not.
The rest of that mayonnaise. It looks like it's a lot, but it's just it's just what's left right on the top there. So, but you're right. My mom, yeah, it's true. My mom will come in here and cut my legs. That looks tasty already. the celery, onions, little purple onion. We'll do a relish. And we'll take one break now while our potatoes are continuing to drain, and we'll come right back and finish it up. The base is mixed together and looks really, really good. Smells good. Very fragrant. Perfect. So now we will stir in our potatoes. They look perfect also. And we'll just fold them in there until they're fully covered with our base. Yeah, that's nice. And try not to beat them up along the way, you know. Try not to have mashed potatoes. A potato salad, so we want our pieces to be whole and, you know, stay rustic and chunky. Oh, that looks good. And it looks fully coated. Mm-hmm. And man, the directions suggest to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours and serve it the next day. But in honor of my dad, since I started out talking about him, I'm going to go ahead and make myself a small plate of it. I'll cover the rest. And I want to try it warm. That's how my daddy would like it. I know it. So just... And right on top of our potato salad, we'll add some chives. And I've also got some red pepper flakes here. Be a nice garnish. So a couple of red pepper flakes. A couple of chives. That's nice. Looks good. That looks like restaurant quality to me. Get a good look at that. It looks good. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good. Very good. I always like just a smidge more salt. And a little bit more pepper. Oh, but the pepper flakes. Oh, I just got the pepper flakes. That just came through. Mm-hmm. Man, that's good. Warm or cold. So, I'm here to tell you that if you want to eat it warm, serve it warm to your friends and your guests. They will like it that way because that's very good. And we're going to cover this and stick it in the fridge, and we'll have more for tomorrow cold. So there you have it, deviled egg potato salad, and man, is it good, courtesy of Paula Deen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.